Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. Are your iPhone contacts not syncing with iCloud? Maybe new contacts aren't showing up on your other Apple devices, or some contacts have completely disappeared. Don't worry, in this guide, I will show you exactly how to fix iPhone contacts not syncing with iCloud by toggling iCloud contacts, refreshing your iCloud settings, and merging local contacts. First, let's check if iCloud contacts is even turned on. For this, open the Settings app, tap on your name at the top, then tap on iCloud. Here, tap on See All button. Make sure Contacts is turned on. If it's already on, turn it off, wait about 10 seconds, and then turn it back on. When prompted, choose Merge. This forces your iPhone to resync contacts with iCloud. If toggling didn't work, let's refresh your iCloud connection. For this, open the Settings app, tap on your name at the top, scroll down and tap on Sign Out. When prompted, enter your Apple ID password to disable Find My. Choose to keep a copy of your contacts on your iPhone and restart your device. Go back to Settings and sign in again. After signing back in, turn on Contacts in iCloud and allow it to sync. This fixes most syncing glitches caused by account authentication issues. Sometimes, contacts are being saved locally instead of iCloud. Here's how to fix that. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Apps. Then from the next page, find and tap on Contacts. Tap Default Account and select your iCloud account. Now all new contacts will automatically save to your iCloud and sync across devices. If your contacts are not syncing, that might be due to lack of internet. Contacts won't sync without internet. So make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is enabled on your device, low data mode is turned off, and you're not using a restrictive VPN. You can quickly test by opening Safari and loading a web page. If your iCloud storage is full, syncing will stop. To check this, go to Settings, tap on your name, tap iCloud, and check your available storage. If it's full, delete unnecessary backups or upgrade your iCloud plan. You can also manually check on iCloud.com if your contacts are syncing with iCloud. For this, open Safari or any other browser, go to iCloud.com and sign in with your Apple ID. After signing in, tap on Contacts. If your contacts appear there but not on your iPhone, it's definitely a syncing issue and the toggle method should fix it. Force quitting the Contacts app can also fix this issue because sometimes it's just a minor app glitch. To do this, access the app switcher, close the Contacts app, and reopen it after a few seconds. And that's it. If your iPhone contacts were not syncing with iCloud, these steps should fix the problem. If this guide helped you out, make sure to like it, share, and subscribe to iOS Hacker for more iPhone tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching.